how to convert YouTube videos to MP3 on Android. So if you want to convert YouTube videos to MP3 on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to download your YouTube video. You can open up your YouTube Studio application on your Android and then tap on the content. Select the content that you would like to download from your YouTube Studio and then download the YouTube video. After downloading the YouTube video, now what you need to do is you need to convert the video to MP3, right? Now to convert, you need to go with your files where you've saved your video. Now once you have your video, you need to go and select it and then go with the top right, which has that 3 dots. And now you may have an option of rename. You need to tap on rename. And as you can see that in my case, this video is of MP4, right? So if you want to convert the YouTube video to your MP3, then you need to just remove the MP4 right here and then enter MP3 and tap on OK and then tap on rename and the file has been renamed. Now you can go back and it will be on your audio section. You can go with your audio and here you will have your YouTube video, which has been turned to MP3. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.